Hi, I'm Dave Vickers and welcome to the Photo Show. In today's episode, we're going to see if we can have some fun with a coffee pot, some water and a couple of lemons. Took me 3 goes to get that right. It's probably best to explain for anyone that's watching any of these in the future exactly what's going on here. These videos were filmed during the COVID-19 lockdown to try and give people something to do with their photography while they're stuck at home and bored. What we're going to do today is we're going to try and see if we can take a photo like this by dropping some fruit into some water. So let's head out into the garden where it's nice and bright and we can start setting up. So we've got the camera set up on a nice fast shutter speed. We've got our assistant.
I am lemon dropper for today.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Not bad.
All over the back wall.
That's all right, doesn't matter. Not bad for a first effort. Right, behind you is a jug that we need some more water. Well, if you can get it in the thing, it'd be handy. That's good, that's good. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Not bad. Okay, let's go again. 3, 2, 1, go. That's brilliant. We'll do a couple more like that. I'm going to switch this up to high. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, yeah, actually, not bad. We're going to give it another go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's been on the way back up. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. We actually caught it before it hit the water.
Really?
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I might have got that one. So there you go, there's a simple photographic project you can try during lockdown while you're stuck at home and bored. And if you're watching this afterwards when the world's gone back to normal, try it anyway, it's good fun. For now, I'm Dave Vickers, this is The Photo Show. Please stay safe and well, and we'll see you in the next episode.